How to create vegetable juice recipes. Many people wonder how they can consume all of the recommended greens in only one day. Juicing is the answer. Juicing gives your body a quick way to absorb all of the wonderful nutrients that are contained in vegetables and fruits. Because juicing breaks down the cell walls of whole foods. There is no need to waste energy digesting the foods because juice can be absorbed by your body within 20 minutes. Juicing is the best way to consume high volumes of greens during the day. Although green vegetables are the most alkalizing, mineralizing, and healthiest foods, they are not always the most flavorful. But you can mix other fruits and tastier vegetables into the mix to make it taste better. You can use foods such as apples or carrots for this purpose. When it comes to creating delicious juices that are also healthy, not only is it a matter of personal preference, but it's also an exercise for your imagination. What fruits would taste wonderful together and help you to take advantage of the many vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes that fruits and vegetables have to offer? Juicing is easy to learn and you can make and invent recipes that are easy, tasty, and best of all, healthy. But there are a few things that you need to remember when juicing. Make sure to wash all of the vegetables and fruits that you'll be using. It is best to purchase produce from a health food store or a local produce market. If you are buying them from the local supermarket, washing them well will ensure that you have removed any lingering pesticides. Many fruits and vegetables do not have to be prepared further than cutting them up into smaller pieces to fit inside the juicer. However, most pits and larger seeds will need to be removed. In addition to the rind from some citrus fruits such as oranges and grapefruits, many melons can be juiced with their peel and all. It is best to investigate how each fruit and vegetable should be juiced before you attempt to use it in a recipe. When creating a juice recipe, make sure to use your imagination and try new combinations of produce. Keep in mind that you should juice the soft fruits and vegetables first. Then juice the harder and tougher ones like carrots. The tougher ones will push the softer ones through the juicer. Nothing is more energizing than a quick glass of homemade juice. Juicing only takes a few minutes to do, but will offer your body huge benefits for a long time, such as weight loss and assistance to cure and prevent common health issues. With juicing, there is no cooking, no pans to scrub or time wasted eating a meal. Juicers are relatively quick and easy to clean so you can get on with your day. Juicing does not have to consume your life. Drinking just one glass of fresh juice a day will give you energy and perk up your spirits. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the next video. Find more useful information below this video description.